Preacher girl. Amazing.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure we can make a movie out of this. Ultimate battle. Is he beating you?
He's a tough little bastard.
Isn't he?
Oh man.
Hooray! For the gladiators.
Humans! Humans!
What a beautiful display of athleticism.
Oh god, it's so true.
Look at the drool flying out of his face.
Threatening to hit me.
It's like a dandelion, but in reverse. Round 2.
Ah, you just hit yourself with it.
Round 2.
I'd say Guile's off to a good start.
Guile.
Maybe Zangief. Either or.
Chun-Li.
I'd
Look
be
at this.
Vega. Think of the irony. Seriously. Think about it.
The redheads battle on throughout the night. Neither one willing to give in to the stick.
Don't hurt yourself, man. This is amazing.
Yeah!
Yeah! Humans! Humans!
Now let's burn this church down. Oh shit, that's on tape, isn't it?
Oh, look at that! Look at that shot. It's like a.
I know, it's amazing.
It's like they're 100 feet tall with the skyline.
Slobber's like glue.
Oh, that was close.